Well, hello, and today in the How to Boss channel we are going to learn how to make a foldable tic-tac-toe board that can fit in your pocket. Just like that. Perfect. You will need 4 of those metal bendy things, I don't know what they're called. Anyway, that can stay in shape, like that. 4 little sticks, all about the same size, I'll have to cut those anyway. 5 small sticks to use as pieces to play, and 5 balls of tape, but you can make it out of anything as long as it's different from the sticks. And you just have to get a piece of tape, roll it up in your hand, and you're good. Get the smaller size of sticks and cut them. Here, let me get scissors. Cut them in half, like that. Cut them in half. Oh, like that. They're pretty hard. They should be hard so you don't break it by accident. Okay. Now you're going to match them and tape them to become like this, so it can fold, and when you put it out, it doesn't fold the other way, like that. So these you can put away. I was just getting them to show you. So now you have these 4 pieces, the 2 foldable ones and the 2 non-foldable ones. So put the 2 non-foldable ones like that across the 2 foldable ones the other way, with the foldable part on top, and shape your tic-tac-toe board nicely. And make sure the tape's in the middle, like that. There. Now get some of these. Wait, I'll just move it into the camera. Get some of these and wrap it around on all the corners, like that. Just put, wait, let me show you. So get one long one and one bent one, put them together, put the short side in the center, wrap it around, make sure it's a 90-degree angle in the center, like that. Okay, now twist it, and you have one side. Now attach the other short side here, and do that to every side.